everybody. I'm Miss Alicia from the Trustful Public Library. Welcome to today's virtual story time. Today's story is Down by the Cool of the Pool by Tony Mitten. I hope that you'll join me as we dance and move along to the story. Down by the pool in the cool of the day, there was a frog who cried, "Whee! Can you dance like me?" Duck came to see. "Quack, quack, quack! I can dance too, but not like you." Duck said, "I can flap, just like this." So Duck went flap, and Frog went, "Whee! Can you dance like me?" Down by the cool of the pool. Then Pig came to see. "Oink, oink, oink! I can dance too, but not like you. I can wiggle, 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 wiggle." So Pig went wiggle, Duck went flap, and Frog went, "Whee! Can you dance like me?" Sheep came to see. "Baa, baa, baa! I can dance too, but not like you. I can stomp, 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 stomp." So Sheep went stomp, and Pig went wiggle, Duck went flap, and Frog cried, "Whee! Can you dance like me?" Then up sprang Cat, "Meow, meow," with a sudden bound. And Dog came frisking round and round. Woo, 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 woo. And Goat butted in with a skip and a hop. And Frog cried, "Whee! Can you dance like me?" "Oh, let's all try together, but don't stop. Keep dancing." Then Playful Pony began to prance. "Neigh, neigh, neigh." And all of the animals danced and danced. And Frog said, "Wow, all together now." They all were stamping and stomping and wiggling and flapping. And Frog said, "Whee!" But then all the animals danced so joyfully until there was a bump and a slip and a trip and a crash. And Frog went ribbit, ribbit, and whoops, watch out! And a topple and a splash into the pool. Each of the animals, they flapped and they flopped, woo, into the cool of the pool. Woo! But did they stop? Whee! No, no, no. They kept going. Whee! Come and see! We're having fun dancing our dance in the cool of the pool. I hope you enjoyed today's story of Down by the Cool of the Pool by Tony Mitten. And remember, we're having story times in the park each Thursday at 9:30 and 10:30. Be sure to register on Facebook or on our website. Bye-bye, everybody.